Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. Hey, before we get to the video, which I know this is the reason why you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Now, back to our Tech Tip Tuesday. Hey, on this week's Tech Tip, gonna go ahead and answer some more of your replies. Now, this one comes in from a Cascade 5. So, regular Cascade doesn't work, and I guess the Cascade Lite doesn't work, kind of like Mambo, Cascade number 5. All right, hi, Todd. That's all I get. Hi, Todd. When watching the TV and the refrigerator comes on, the signal from the roof antenna gets scrambled. This also happens when you walk between the fridge and the TV. Glad I found your site. Well, at least you did throw that out there. So what you're saying is, while watching TV, if the refrigerator comes on, people start talking to you through the TV. Y'all remember that show, Poltergeist? Hold on. Now I'm ready to answer your question. Watching TV, TV comes on, refrigerator comes on, signal messes up. If you walk in between the refrigerator and TV, the signal comes on. This is for my crowd. You know what this is. Tinfoil hat time. Okay, so more than likely your TV is connected to an antenna, and that antenna must be running parallel with an electrical line that happens to be on the same circuit as your refrigerator, okay? And whenever the refrigerator comes on, here I have, some amperage going through that high volt line running parallel with your antenna. Now, granted, your coax cable should be shielded. So one other thought may be that you got a loose connection on either point of that antenna. Loose connection on either point of that antenna. It just so happens that when the refrigerator comes on, it causes that signal to lose a good contact with the antenna. Therefore, you're getting a bad signal. Best thing to do is just switch over to satellite, all right? Because you get a whole new wire. Totally bypass that. There's nothing good on TV anyway. Otherwise, if there was, you wouldn't be coming over to YouTube to get the answer. All right? If you want to watch something that doesn't get interfered with whenever your refrigerator comes on, go over to rvunpluggedtv.com. rvunpluggedtv.com. Watch a wonderful RV show. There. Fixed your problem, right? So, now, all kidding aside, you got a loose connection somewhere in between the antenna and the TV, a little bit of a loose connection, and again, just so happens whenever the refrigerator comes on. Could it be that, again, you have an unshielded cable running parallel next to one of the circuit lines that happens to be on the refrigerator? Yes, but if it also happens whenever you walk in between the two, again, there may be some flex. What I would do, kind of an easy thing to do, is get behind the TV, find that coax cable, if it's coax, and kind of wiggle it, right? And if the signal goes in and out, then definitely got a loose connection. Depends on the type of antenna that you have. If it's going to be roof mounted, a little more inconvenient. If you got the old school rabbit ears, what the hell, right? What the hell? I don't even know how you're getting a signal in the first place. Rabbit ears on the inside of an RV? Who heard of such a thing, right? This is not... Hey, the 1950s called. They wanted the rabbit ears back. Loose connection. There's your tech tip. All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today.
Now, for the reason that you're at the end of the video, roll the bloopers.
Yes, it could be a poltergeist. It feels like it's moving. Oh man, I lost the unicorn. You know what this means? My head is only getting bigger, right? The more information I cram in there. Yeah. So if I walk in between the TV... What's going on here? Now, is your signal going out? Is your signal going out? They're listening. If there's flex, You got yourself a grand design. That's right, I said it. We'll see what happens. Hey, you got to be flexible with these things. That's all I'm saying. You just got to be flexible, right? There may be a signal loss.